Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a Mac that will act as the iMessage host. Sign into Messages with your Apple ID and enable Messages in iCloud so conversations sync. Next, install and set up Chrome Remote Desktop on the Mac. Create a host name and PIN. On your Chromebook, install the Chrome Remote Desktop client, sign in with the same Google account, and confirm the Mac host shows online. Once done, you're ready to connect remotely. You now configure Messages and refine the remote session for daily use. On the Mac, Verify Messages is signed in and toggle text message forwarding if you want SMS relayed from your iPhone through the Mac. Make Chrome Remote Desktop persistent by enabling unattended access and choosing a secure PIN. This makes the Mac reachable without interaction. When you connect from the Chromebook, adjust display scale and audio forwarding. You finish by connecting and validating everything works. Launch Chrome Remote Desktop on the Chromebook, enter the host PIN, and open the Mac's Messages app. Send and receive a few test messages to confirm both iMessage and SMS forwarding. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and the host PIN is strong. Adjust the Mac firewall to allow the remote tool. If messages don't appear, check the Apple ID in Messages, confirm the Mac is online, and restart the Chrome Remote Desktop host as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.